First of all, I will show you that my cell phone is not rooted yet. Hi guys, today's video, I have new information to share with you again, step-by-step tutorials. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will teach you a lot about our topic today. By subscribing, I will work harder to always upload videos that will surely help you. Here I will guide you on the right thing to do so that you can get the right process. Do you know that I am also like you who does not know how to root a cell phone because I have never learned about computers? Now with the amount of video tutorials that are uploaded on the internet, I learned it little by little just by watching of their video online tutorials. Now I can't say that it will work for you 100% because it still depends on the cell phone we use, such as the model of the phone or the quality of the phone. Don't worry, it's free. We'll just keep watching the video tutorials and little by little we'll get what we want to happen on our phone. Just follow each step. It's very easy. If you do it in the shop, you will pay a lot, but here watching the video tutorials is free. Here we just need to adjust our settings so that we can be successful here. Since Magisk is already saved in my file, I'll just look for it in my file manager so I can install it right away. Now let's open Magisk for the process. Just follow the steps so you don't miss it. Now let's restart it and wait for it to open and go back home. It's really easy guys, as long as you follow the step-by-step process.
Wow!
Now as you can see, it is really rooted, so it's really easy if you follow the tutorials. So that's all. I hope this video will help you. Until next time.